Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
On this Tuesday, we're waking up to another windy day. Now we are expecting to see our wind speeds move in later on this afternoon, anywhere between 15 to 20 miles per hour. So therefore, with our winds moving in off the ocean, this is going to bring us a mix of sun and clouds today. You can see Biscayne Bay is pretty choppy already this morning. And with that east wind in place, any moisture in the Atlantic will move into portions of Broward as well as Miami-Dade. Just like what we saw earlier this morning, throughout Broward, most of the activity has diminished, but we did see some isolated showers in Tamarack over 595, even stretching all the way in towards Weston and Pembroke Pines. Miami Gardens saw an isolated sprinkle, more isolated showers moving in as we speak right now over US 1, eventually making its way towards Westwood Lake as well as Kendall Lakes. And more activity that affected us was mainly by the Upper Keys, some isolated showers, and Homestead as well as Florida City. Now with that moisture in place and our wind flow moving in off the ocean, we will see that chance of some showers throughout the day. East wind right now at 13 miles per hour in Miami. We have a temperature of 81 degrees with crystal clear skies. In Fort Lauderdale, 80 degrees with an east wind at 13. And in the Keys, Key West, 81 degrees with an east-northeast wind at 7 miles per hour. It's 81 in Pompano Beach as well as Oakland Park, 80 degrees in Pembroke Pines and Hialeah. Good morning to you in Kendall and Miccosukee. You're checking in with temperatures in the upper 70s. Take a look at what's going on across the southeast and even stretching into the northeast. We have a broad area of high pressure in place that's keeping things very quiet for the weather pattern. Unfortunately, our friends throughout the Midwest dealing with another storm system right now, moving through portions of Kansas as well as Missouri. Now here's the forecast with high pressure in place that will provide for a dry, stable atmosphere in the mid to upper levels. That dry air will sink down here at the surface and suppress any widespread chance of showers or storms today. The only shower activity we will see is with our winds moving in off the ocean. We could see some passing showers. We'll stay breezy as we are expecting an area of low pressure to stay just to the south of us today. As we go into the end of the week and into the weekend, though, some models are showing some of that moisture moving into portions of South Florida. Boy, we do need the rain. We are very late starting our rainy season. And moving to that area of low pressure, this is what it looks like over the Caribbean. As you can see, pretty impressive, plenty of moisture, so we'll keep our eyes on it. Keep in mind hurricane season starts tomorrow. Your marine forecast calls for a high risk of rip currents. Small craft exercise caution if you're doing any boating. The bay will be choppy. For you in the lower Keys, an advisory. Initial water's rough. Highs today in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Lows will be in the 70s. Here's your 7 on 7. We'll do it all over again as we go into the middle part of the work week and then a better chance of showers by Friday and into the weekend. Have a great Tuesday.